Agreement has been reached in a more than 2-year-long battle over mental health services for students in the town of Killingly. News 8's Tina Dittel has been following this story and has details on what the agreement means.
I'm happy to report that today is a great day for the students in Killingly Public Schools.
Michael McKeon, an attorney for the state, investigated the complaint filed by Killingly parents after the Killingly Board of Education denied a proposal for a school-based mental health clinic, which would have been no cost to the town because of a grant. This came after a survey indicated many students were struggling with mental health issues.
When a school board responds to the fact that approximately 66 of its students have reached a point of such despair that they have crafted suicide plans by challenging the students' truthfulness or characterizing that number as not being that high, there's a clear problem.
Several students had testified in front of both the Killingly and state boards of education, which some say helped lead to today's agreement, which brings mental health and behavioral health services to 3 schools in town.
The positive outcome was a direct result of their voice.
This is exactly what they wanted in the first place.
Community Health Resources, or CHR, will provide full-time staff at the high school and intermediate school, as well as part-time counselors in one of the elementary schools.
The fact that they're on the school property and the access is what we were fighting for.
A year after parents filed their complaint with the state in 2022, there was an election in town, and that meant a big shift on the Killingly Board of Education. The new board is part of this agreement. The school board chairperson says this initiative was unanimously supported by the current Killingly Board of Education. Great things continue to happen here. The commissioner of the State Department of Education adds, this resolution underscores our dedication to ensuring that every student in Connecticut has access to the social, emotional, behavioral, and mental health services they need to thrive.
Now we can hopefully move forward, and the kids will get the services they need, which will also help the staff.
The state will continue to check in with the town, and the vice chair of the state BOE
to bring this issue forward was so important, and it's
may even visit Killingly herself. In Hartford, Tina Dittel, News 8.